sunrise, press record, now play. AI tools got me glowing every day. Faceless grind, I'm paving my lane. Me 2 times, yeah, we changing the game. Elevate me to you, vibe is brand new. Built it from scratch, now we teaching you. Hit that sub, let the vision come true. This ain't just
5 easy steps in OBS Studio.
If you're new to OBS Studio and you're feeling overwhelmed, then you're in the right place. I'm going to help you today. This is not one of those tech-heavy or expert-only tutorials, and this is going to be like a learn it together live stream. And I'm right here figuring it out with you step by step. So first thing first, what is OBS Studio? OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software. It is a free tool that you can record your screen and also go live on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. It's what tons of creators use to stream, and the best part, you don't need to spend a dime to use it, okay? So now, I'll be honest. Let me be honest. I am not an expert for OBS. I am just learning this myself, and I want to go live today just so we can explore it together. No pressure, no tech background needed. Whether you're new, never streamed before, or you want to get confidence using OBS, then we're going to walk through it in real time, okay? So get cozy. Ask your questions in the chat, and don't be afraid to try things out with me, okay? So, and we're building up our skills one click at a time. So let's get into it. Oh, and also, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next beginner-friendly live here on Elevate Me to You. Installing OBS Studio and creating your first scene. Alright, y'all, let's dive in and set this up together. And if you never used OBS Studio before, don't worry. We're learning this step by step in real time, and here's how you get started. Step 1, you're going to install the OBS Studio. First things first, head over to obsprojects.com, and that's the official site, which is right here on the screen. And you're going to just choose your operating system that you're using, if it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, and you're going to hit the button to download the software. And once it's finished, just open it up and follow the setup steps, and it's super quick. And you don't have to worry about changing anything fancy. Just hit next and wait till it's done. Okay, for step number 1, we're going to run the auto configuration wizard, and let's start by setting up your best settings for your recordings and your streams. Okay, so the auto configuration wizard optimizes OBS Studio for your needs, whether you're streaming fast-paced gameplay or you recording videos. Okay, so it takes into account of what you want to do in the OBS Studio, your computer hardware resources, in your network conditions. Okay, so if you're streaming, this will help. So the wizard shows you the first time, the first time you download the OBS Studio, and if you wish to use it again, just click on the tools menu and then go to auto configuration wizard. Step 2, you're going to create a new scene. So step 2, you're going to be brought to that's inside of the OBS Studio, which is on the screen now. And when you open OBS Studio, it might look a little overwhelming, but we're going to focus on 2 main parts for now, which is the screen, the scenes, and also the sources. Okay, and think of the scenes like a layout or a folder. It's where you're going to organize your streams, and you can also use the default one and click the little plus sign. Just to make a new one. So the plus sign is down here at the bottom if you would like to make a new scene. And I'm naming mine something like first stream layout. And you can name yours whatever you want to name it. So all you're going to do is right click on the label for it, and then you're going to hit rename. And I'm just going to erase main, and I'm going to put first stream. Hold on, let me get my capitalization fixed. First stream layout. Okay, and you just hit enter, and now your scene is labeled, and you'll be able to find and click on whichever one you're going to be using.
Alright, so now that we've talked about scenes, let's break down the fun part, sources. Sources are like your ingredients, each one adds something different to your stream. Here are the main ones you'll probably use, especially as a beginner. Video capture device. This one adds your webcam. If you want your viewers to see you while you're talking or teaching, this is the one to add. Audio input capture. This adds your microphone so people can actually hear you. You can even use it for other audio devices too, like mixers. Display capture. This shows everything on your screen. Super helpful for tutorials, walkthroughs, or sharing your desktop. Window capture. Kinda like display capture, but more focused. It only shows one specific app or tab, like just your PowerPoint or Chrome window. Image. Lets you drop in static pictures like your logo, a background, or overlay design. Text. This is great for adding your name, stream title, or a quick reminder like, "Be right back," on screen. Browser. This one's really cool. You can add live elements from the web like chat overlays, alerts, or stream widgets. Media source. If you've got a video clip, animation, or music file you want to play, this is how you drop it into the stream. Scene. You can even place an entire scene inside another scene. It's like a shortcut or preset you can reuse. Color source. This just gives you a solid block of color. Super handy for backgrounds or dividing up your layout. Game capture. This one's for all my gamers out there. It's optimized to capture your game window with the best performance. So yep, that's your OBS toolkit right there. You don't have to use them all, just the ones that fit your stream style. Start with the basics, and build as you go. Let me know in the chat which ones you're using or want to try.
Okay, so step 3, we're going to add a webcam. Now let's add your camera. In the sources box, this is the sources box here. So this is where you're going to add your camera. And what you're going to do is click on the plus sign, and then you're going to choose video capture device. And then you can name it something like webcam, and then hit OK. And then you're going to pick your webcam from the list, and boom, you should see your face on the screen, which I have my camera covered, so it's not going to, you just see blur. So, but this is where you're going to choose your camera from this option here, this drop down box. And then once you select the camera that you're going to be using, you just hit OK. Now, step 4, you want to add your mic, your microphone, and a scene. A screen. Okay, so if your mic is not working yet, let's fix that. Okay, so what you're going to do is, now I'm going to take the webcam off because we're not going to be using that right now. So we're going to hit the plus sign up under sources again, and we're going to choose audio input capture. Audio input capture. And you're going to name it mic or microphone. So I'm going to name mine microphone, and then you're going to hit OK. And you want to share your screen, and you're going to hit the plus sign again. Let's wait before we move there. You're going to just choose your microphone that you're going to be using. So I'm using a USB ear microphone, and I'm going to just hit OK. I'm going to leave that unchecked. Now you want to add your screen to your page, to your sources. So you're going to hit the plus sign again, and then this time you're going to select display capture. And then let people see what's on your screen. Perfect for tutorials and slides, or even if you're showing videos or images. Okay, and you're gonna name it something. I'm gonna just say desktop screen. Gotta spell it right. Okay, and then you're gonna hit OK. And then here you're going to be brought to the box where you're able to select which screen you will be displaying. So here for the capture method, you would just leave that alone. And then you go to display and you select which screen you will be showing. So this will show you this screen. But since because it's the same screen I'm recording on, you have these little extra duplicates of the screen, so don't worry about that. But after you do that, you're just going to hit OK. And then now your screen is added. But I'm just going to take it off by hitting the eyeball next to whichever one I want to hide, and now it disappears. And that's it for the first setup. Now you have your scene with your webcam, your mic, and your screen ready to go. Don't worry if things aren't perfect yet. The best way to learn OBS is just starting clicking and playing around with it, okay? And I'll be showing you more tips as we go. But for now, celebrate this set that you set this up. And let me know in the chat if you got your scene working or if you're confused. And I got you, okay? Okay, y'all. Now we got our scene set up and camera and our mic. So now we're ready. Now it's time for us to actually go live on YouTube. Step 1. What is a stream key? A stream key is like your private handshake between YouTube and OBS. It tells your OBS system where to send your live streams, and it connects your computer to your YouTube channel. It's like a password. And this key is unique to you, so don't share it. Please don't share it. Step 2, how to find your stream key on YouTube. And here's how to grab your key. You'll go to the YouTube Studio at studio.youtube.com. Or you can click on your profile image top right, and you can go YouTube Studio. And also you can do it from the page we just left. All you would do is hit the create button that was on the previous. Okay, give me just a moment. I'm not sure what just happened. Give me a moment. Now we got our scene set up and camera and our mic. So now we're ready. Now it's time for us to actually go live on YouTube. Step 1. What is a stream key? A stream key is like your private handshake between YouTube and OBS. It tells your OBS system where to send your live streams, and it connects your computer to your YouTube channel. It's like a password. And this key is unique to you, so don't share it. Please don't share it. Step 2, how to find your stream key on YouTube. And here's how to grab your key. You'll go to the YouTube Studio at studio.youtube.com, or you can click on your profile image top right, and you can go YouTube Studio. And also you can do it from the page we just left. All you would do is hit the create button that was on the previous page. You can go that way also. And once you click on that, it will ask you, how do you want to, well, actually, what do you want to create? And you're going to hit go live. And then step 2, how to find your stream key on YouTube. When do you want to go live? So you're going to say right now or at a later date. For this tutorial, I would do right now. And then it'll ask you to pick the type of stream to begin. And you have two options. You have a built-in webcam, and this is no setup required, and you can use use your existing webcam just to make it easier for you. And also, but if you have a streaming software, kind of like StreamYard, OBS, um, Prism, and there's a few more, and I do have a link in the well, actually, I do have a video speaking of the different types of streaming softwares that's available, and kind of go over some of the pricing and what they offer. But I will drop that in the description after this video is over. But also, this is how you set that up. You would come here to streaming software, and it requires your additional software to be added. Okay, so you're going to just hit go, and then you're going to be brought to this page right here. And then when you get to this page, this is your streaming key right here in this box at the bottom. It's right under streaming settings. And all you would do is hit the copy. And make sure that you keep this private because you don't want anyone else being able to go live from your YouTube channel. Okay, so right now I'm just going to exit out of this. Okay, so now that I have my streaming key, I copied it to my clipboard. Boom, that's it. Now we're able to move on to step 3. And step 3 is pasted into the OBS Studio. So let's do that since we already have a stream key set copied to our clipboard. Now the only thing we'll do, we'll go back to OBS Studio. And you're going to click on settings right here at the bottom right. And you're going to go to the stream tab. And just wait for it to pull up. So you're going to go to the stream tab, and where it says service, you're going to make sure that it say YouTube or whatever platform you'll be streaming to. But I'm going to leave it at YouTube because it's already set at default. And then you're going to scroll down. Well, let me just do it again just in case. So I picked that. And now we're going to hit OK. And give me a second. Let me get another streaming key just to set up another destination. Give me just a moment. Okay, now I'm back. So now what I'm going to do is set up another streaming platform that I'm going to be streaming to, which is Twitch. So in Twitch, if you want to set that up, what you're going to do, you're going to just go to your home, your dashboard, and then you're going to go down to settings, and then you're going to click on stream. And when you click on stream, your stream key will be here, and all you do, copy it, and then we're going to go back to OBS. Let me get y'all back to OBS. So now that we're back in OBS, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to settings. And then when I pull up, we're going to go to the stream tab. And give me just a second. Okay, so now what I would do, I will hit Twitch. And then you're going to use stream key. I'm going to paste my stream key and make sure I put that in there right. It felt like I hit it twice. So now I put that in there. Now I'm just going to connect the account. Well, actually, that's good. I'm not going to do that because I'm already got the stream key. I'm just hit apply and hit OK. So now I have those streaming keys in there, and we can just double check. And give me a second while I pull up. So go back to stream. Now you have destination. This is where you can pick your location. So we got the stream in there. And let's do the, let me do this one back over again just to make sure. Step 4, start streaming versus start recording. Okay, now you see 2 buttons down here, start streaming or start recording. Start streaming, this sends your live feed directly to YouTube, and your audience can see it once you hit the go live on YouTube. Okay, and the start recording, which is this one, this just saves the video to your computer. Perfect if you want to test the layouts and you're recording something without going live. Okay, so the number 1 tip here is that you can even do both at the same time, stream and record all at once. Okay, so now that wraps it up. So now you have officially linked and ready to start streaming. Take a deep breath, double check your camera, your mic, and when you're ready, just hit the start streaming button in OBS. Then go back to YouTube and press go live. Boom, you're live. Okay. Okay, now moving on to creating a stream layout in OBS with layouts. Alright y'all, now let's make your stream look good. Not just basic, I'm talking about layout, personality, and overlays that bring your stream to life. So what is a stream layout? A stream layout is like decorating your space, except it's digital. It's how you place everything on your screen, your camera, chat, name tags, logos, and fun extra little start soon screens. You can keep it very super simple, or you can build it up piece by piece as you grow. Add a static PNG overlay. So let's start with the static overlay, like a logo, a banner, or a social handle made in Canva or Photoshop. So in your OBS Studio, you're going to choose the scene you want to edit. So we're going to go over here to the left bottom, and I'm going to pick the one I have named OBS Add Overlays and Animated Elements. So I'm going to click that. Now I will go over to the source box, and this is where I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to select image, and I'm going to name it logo overlay. Okay, so once you label the image, you're going to hit enter or OK. And then you're going to click on browse and select the PNG file with the transparent background. So I'm going to my files. So this is the watermark that I have. I have one, I believe that is 5%. So I'm going to select that and hit open. So now my background is selected, which I will probably, I'm going to switch it because it don't look transparent. Let me go and select the next one. I believe I have that one. Okay, so now I have it selected. I'm going to hit OK. And your image now appears on the screen. So what you can do is drag to resize it however you would like it to fit on your screen. So I will probably like it to be in the middle. and look about middle waist. And also you can use the eye icon, which is next to the label that you just labeled for logo overlay, and you can toggle it on or off to hide it. So you see that once I have it marked out, it disappears from the screen, so it won't be showing to the viewers. Also, you can lock it just to avoid any accidental movement of it, so you don't have to worry about moving it by accident. Okay, so boom, now you have your static overlay and it's all set up. Okay, so step one, we're going to design your overlay in Canva or download a free pack. So if you're brand new, and here's where you want to start, is go to canva.com. You're going to search for Twitch overlay or streaming layout. So we're just going to type it in here, hit templates, and then we're going to hit go. And then you'll see a few down here at the bottom. You can scroll and select the one that you like. And you can customize one to match your vibe. Maybe add your name, color themes, and icons, okay? And when you're done, you can download it as a PNG with a transparent background if possible. And it's great for logos and frames, okay? Or you can go to grab you some free overlay packs from StreamElement.com. StreamElement.com is, or you can go to grab you some free overlay packs from StreamElement.com. StreamElement.com is great for auto overlay and alerts. And you just hit start, and you go through the process. And another one is Nerd or Die. And give me just a moment. Nerd or Die. It have tons of free and paid layouts that you can get. I'm just click I don't want it, but no, let me just go on here. But they might ask me to sign up everything, so I'm not ready to do that. So you just go through the process, and you can see right here where I have Twitch overlays. You can get them from there. Okay, now that you have your overlay or your image, now you can head back to OBS Studio to upload it. And once you're in the studio, you're going to click to create a new scene. You're going to click the plus sign. And I'm going to name mine Me Two Times Overlay. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to add a source. And then I'm click the plus sign at the bottom, and I'm gonna select image. I'm gonna upload the PNG of the overlay and lock it in place. So I'm gonna just type in overlay. And hit OK. And then you're going to be brought to another dialog box where you select the image. I'm going to hit browse to pull up the image. I'm going to go to my folder. Let me see where I saved it to. Uh-oh. Okay, now I'm back. I found my overlay that I saved. All I'm going to do is select it, and I'm going to hit open. Okay, and then once it uploads, I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to just resize it as I see fit, just to bring it in so it can lay out right. And then you want to lock it into place so it don't move.
Bonus tip: group elements or duplicate scenes. If you like your layout and want to reuse it later, right-click your scene and select Duplicate. Or use Groups to move multiple elements at once. This saves time when you want similar layouts across different streams. And just like that, you've got your first stream layout. It doesn't have to be perfect or flashy. What matters is that it feels like you. Keep adding little touches as you grow, and don't forget to save your scene collection so you can use it again next time.
Alright, let's talk about how to save time in OBS Studio, because once you set things up, you don't want to start from scratch every time you go live. So here's some beginner friendly tips to make your setup smoother and faster. Step 1, your scene collection, so you don't have to rebuild every time. Think of it as a screen collection like an entire setup. All your screen sources, layouts, and overlays are saved all in one neat file. So here's how to save it. You click on Screen Collection at the top. You're going to choose New and name it something like YouTube Stream Setup or Tutorial Layout. So we're going to hit New, and then we're going to name it. I'm going to name mine YouTube Stream Setup. And we're going to hit OK. And now it'll be saved and ready to load up anytime with just a click. And you just built your first reusable template. And step 2, reuse templates by duplicating the scenes. If you have one layout you love and you want to make some changes without starting over, what you're going to do is right click on the scene in the scene list and click duplicate. So you're going to right click and then you're going to hit duplicate, and then you're going to rename it and twerk the parts as you need it. So I'm just put scene 2. Okay, and I'm going to hit OK. And this keep your original layout safe while you try new styles. Now let's move on to step 3, where we set up hotkeys to speed things up. Okay, so you want to switch scenes and also mute your mic without clicking around. Hotkeys are your secret weapon. I can't even say that right. Secret weapons. Okay, and to set them up, you're going to go to settings and then you're going to go to hotkeys. So go to the right bottom, hit settings. And once it pulls up, you're going to go to hotkeys. Give me just a moment. Okay, so once your settings box pull up, you're going to go down to hotkeys, and then you're going to be brought to the hotkey area where you can put in whichever hotkey that you would like, but you want to use keys that you won't accidentally press. Okay, kind of like Control plus F1 or Alt M, just something that you won't accidentally press. And then once you have them all entered, you just hit apply or OK, and then that's it. Okay, now let's move on to step number 4, where we use StreamElements for easy automation. StreamElements is a free tool that works with OBS to automate and automate cool stuff like your on-screen chat overlays, your subscriber followers alerts, countdown timers, donation animations with wedges. So how do you use it? You're going to go to StreamElements.com, and then once you get there, you're just going to log in with your YouTube or your Twitch account. And I'm already logged in with mine, so I don't have to do that part. But if you're not, just go ahead and sign in. and choose a layout or wedge or copy the browser link. Okay, and then in OBS, once you do your StreamElements, you're going to go back to OBS. Okay, now that we're back in OBS, we're going to click the plus and then the browser source up under your sources. So you're just going to click here, you're going to click browser. So whatever, you can label it StreamElements and then hit OK. And then you're going to be brought to this dialog box, and you're just going to paste your URL for that layout or either the wedge that you use. And now your alerts, your chat box, and your timer will show up automatically in your streams. Now let's wrap it up for this part. So just to recap, if you want to save time and level up, remember to save your scene collections. You want to duplicate and tweak your layouts. You want to set your hotkeys to move like a pro, and you want to automate alerts with StreamElements. The more you set up now, the less you have to touch every time you go live. So let me know in the chat if you want a link to StreamElements or some of my favorite wedges, or either a Canva template to start building your own layout faster. Okay. And that wraps it up, y'all. We just tackled some big beginner steps inside of OBS Studio. And if you're stuck with me through the clicks and the resizing and the where do I find that again moment, I'm proud of you. Okay, so quick recap. We installed OBS together. We created our very first scene. We added a webcam, a mic, and also the screen share. We talked through overlays and layout basics, and we explored time-saving tips like hotkeys and also StreamElement tools. So not bad for one session, right? Now remember, this is just the beginning, and OBS can feel a lot at first. But the more you play around in it, the more it starts to make sense. And you don't have to do this alone. You can come back and watch the replay, or if you need help, just reach out. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments or the chat, and I will send you some tips, or send them my way on Instagram at Elevate Me to You. Wherever works for you. Okay, so I also love to know what part felt more confusing, and what did you learn today. So if that sounds helpful, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can keep building with me step by step. And thank you again for showing up, hanging out, and learning together. Catch you on the next one. This is me 2 times at Elevate Me to You, signing off for now, and bye.
We on the rise, press record, now play. AI tools got me glowing every day. Faceless grind, I'm paving my lane. Me 2 times, yeah, we changing the game. Elevate me to you, vibe is brand new. Built it from scratch, now we teaching you. Hit that sub, let the vision come true. This ain't just